Hello and welcome back. Today I'm sharing 10 living room decorating ideas that will elevate your space and help you get a high-end look for less. If you loved last week's video on making your living room look expensive, you're in the right place. Whether you're redoing your entire space or just updating a few pieces, these design tips will make a big impact. Now let's get started. Number one, curved furniture. Curved furniture is having a moment in high-end design, and it's easy to see why. Adding a curved sofa, armchair, or even a round coffee table will give your room a softer look. Modern spaces with sharp lines can feel stiff and formal, but adding curved pieces will create a natural flow and carry your eye throughout the room. For example, if you have a square living room, a curved sofa will balance the harsh angles and add a touch of softness. This iHoltz high-end curved sofa would cost you almost $11,000, but you can get a similar look for less at West Elm for under $4,000 or Walmart for a fraction of the price. In living rooms with a lot of straight furniture pieces, something as simple as adding a curved chair will soften the look. You can get this swivel chair from Crate and Barrel for just under $1,000 on sale, or grab this best-selling Walmart style for under $250. Number two, include furniture with mixed materials. A key characteristic of high-end design is mixing materials. This can be a coffee table with a concrete top that resembles stone combined with burl wood legs, or it can be a sleek metal frame chair with soft upholstery. The contrasting textures create depth and add visual interest to your living room design. When shopping, look for unique combinations like a velvet chair with brass accents or a glass and metal coffee table. Check out this fabulous chair from the new Athena Calderon collab with Crate and Barrel. It has an organic burl wood frame with contrasting soft velvet upholstery for a retro vibe. A pair would cost you $1,800, which is an investment, but adding a pair of stylish ottomans like this Walmart burl wood and boucle ottoman for under $150 will give you a similar look for way less. For all things decorating with ottomans, watch this video. Furniture with mixed materials will upgrade the look of your design and make it feel way more customized. Number three, multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer. This can be ottomans that open for storage, coffee tables that lift to become dining tables, or even standing mirrors that double as a coat rack like this one from iHoltz. The high-end version is not cheap, but these Amazon styles will give you a similar look for way less. In smaller spaces, pieces with hidden storage will keep your living room organized and clutter-free. When we changed our unused dining room into a sitting room, we got this expand coffee table that converts into a dining table. During the holidays, we're able to host up to 10 people comfortably, but for everyday use, it's a coffee table and no one would be the wiser. Not only do these pieces save space, but they'll also make a room look intentional and stylish. For more multi-purpose furniture ideas, check out this video. Number four, layered coffee tables at different heights. Layered coffee tables at different heights will give your space an elevated designer look. Choose a pair of coffee tables, one that's lower and one higher, or mixed shapes for an organic look. The different heights will create visual interest and let you arrange your decor at different levels. You could style the tables with candles, books, or a small plant on one side and then keep the other clean and balanced for a sophisticated look. Here are some table ideas at different price points to add this look in your home. Number five, add a bookcase to divide a room or display decor. A bookcase adds style and function to a living room design. It's especially helpful in open concept spaces to define different zones. It allows you to separate the living room from a dining room or a workspace without having to build walls. For an expansive feeling, choose a bookcase style with an open back design. This way you can style it with books, plants, and decorative objects for a layered look that can be enjoyed from either side. Using a bookcase as a divider will add purpose to your design, while the decor that you choose will add personality and a luxurious feel. This is another place that you can make an investment or save depending on your budget. You can spend in the thousands or a few hundred to get this look in your home. If you get lucky, you can even find a stylish bookcase at your local Home Goods. Just remember that no matter what furniture you're shopping for, you have to measure and create a floor plan of your space. It's the only way that you're going to know everything is going to fit and you'll avoid returns. Download the free PDF on how to measure and create a floor plan in the description below. Number six, plush fabrics and layers of texture. Plush fabrics are a must to make a space feel cozy and expensive. This includes velvet upholstery, chunky throw blankets, or a plush area rug. Layers of texture create warmth and make a space feel inviting. Adding a knit throw and fur pillows to a leather sofa will add a sense of depth and softness. For a timeless look, choose neutrals with rich textures. You'll be able to layer in current trends without making a big investment. For example, leopard pillow covers are on trend with today's fashion, but they can easily be swapped out for a hot color or pattern next season. You may be tempted to go all in on the latest trend, but this can be a costly mistake. Last week, I talked about how burgundy is trending in fashion and home decor. If you missed it, you could watch that here. Adding small touches like a pillow, throw, lamp, or decor in 3 places throughout your room will make a neutral space look up to date for a small investment. On the other hand, Crate & Barrel has this fabulous velvet sofa in burgundy for about $2,500. It's right on trend. However, if you have not always loved this color, I highly recommend you go for the neutral fabric sofa color instead. As beautiful as this sofa is today, it locks you into a look that'll be harder to update in the future unless this has always been your design style. If you don't know your design style, make sure to take the quiz in the description below or watch this video. That said, it's super important to educate yourself on what's currently trending so that you make timeless choices that won't look dated in a few years. I'm obviously speaking from personal experience because I have definitely made this mistake in the past. For anyone new, I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration to make your home look like you hired a designer. If you love all things interior design, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe to the channel. I drop a new video every Sunday that I think you'll enjoy. Links to shop, follow, and learn with me are all in the description box below. Number 7, wallpaper panels. Wallpaper has made a comeback in a big way. It's being used everywhere, from the living room to the bathroom, even on ceilings. It can be costly and is an investment, especially if you're hiring a professional to install it. Wallpaper panels are a great way to get this look and add character without committing to a full wall. To do this, you would frame out a section of wallpaper behind a sofa or a large furniture piece to create a unique focal point. This technique is also perfect for renters because you can use peel and stick wallpaper, which will be super easy to change or remove. Lowe's has a great selection of affordable peel and stick wallpaper that I saved to my storefront. You could check them out by clicking the link in the description below. Number 8, bar cabinets or a bar cart. Adding a bar cabinet or cart in your living room will update the look while adding a touch of classic glamour. It's the perfect spot to organize and style your favorite glasses, cocktail shakers, decorative bottles, and alcohol collection. If you're not into alcohol, no worries. It could also be used as a coffee, tea station, or decorative display shelf instead. This is another thing that we added to our sitting room. We removed the old basement bar and brought all the alcohol upstairs. Now everything is organized and easily accessible. The styling and decor add to that sitting room vibe. A bar cart will give you a similar look, which I did consider at first, but I didn't want to have to deal with constantly dusting it. So this is something that you want to think about as well. Number 9, pedestal table to display decor. This is something that I've been seeing a lot in high-end stores. A pedestal table is perfect for showcasing a statement piece like a sculpture, vase, or even a plant. It'll add height and create a focal point in any empty corner. The table itself can be simple because the decor is meant to be the star of the show. In high-end stores, a pedestal table can cost as much as $1,000, but I did find affordable options that'll give you a similar look for less. Number 10, oversized decor. Last but not least, oversized decor is a simple way to create a high-end look. Large mirrors, lamps, a big floor vase, or a single oversized piece of artwork will fill an empty space and make your room feel elegant. Remember that oversized pieces reduce the need for multiple smaller items, so you're left with a clean and intentional look. Larger pieces can cost more, but you only need one as opposed to multiple. Another affordable way to get this look is to repeat multiple mirrors or decor for a gallery-style arrangement. It'll make an impact while adding interest to your design. Our house is a great resource for oversized decor, which I showed you in this video. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You now have 10 more decorating ideas to give your living room a luxurious high-end look without the high price. Remember, good design takes time, so don't rush the process. Pick and choose where you want to splurge and then save on the rest. By mixing high and low, you'll create an original space that's unique to you. For more design tips and a step-by-step guide to make your home look expensive and like you hired a designer, click the link in the description below. In my course, Design a Home 101, you'll learn everything from finding your style to the finishing touches that make a home feel complete. Let me know in the comments which idea you try and tag me on Instagram so that I could see the beautiful space you create. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend if you found it helpful. Links to everything shared are in the description below. They're also saved to my LTK shop and Walmart storefront. There's also a blog post with all this information that you can save to Pinterest and refer back to at any time. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing.